Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if Netflix is connected to the internet on your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Samsung Smart TV and want to know if Netflix is connected to the internet. Now in order to actually do this, you're going to grab your Samsung Smart TV remote here, and then let's click on the home icon, which is this middle icon over here. And then let's go ahead and navigate towards Netflix. Now once you're on the Netflix tab, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Get Help. Now on this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll down even more to where it says Check Your Network. So once you click on this, you're going to see that it's going to check your internet connection on Netflix. So if you see all green check marks, that means you are connected to the internet and there should be no problem. So you do have to give it a couple of seconds though to check and see if Netflix is connected to the internet on your Samsung Smart TV. It should only take at most, I'd say, 2 minutes. But as you can see, the network check has been successful, and you can see my connection speed is at 64 megabytes per second. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check and see if Netflix is connected to the internet on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.